Welcome to Gym Sports Management's risk reporting procedure. If you identify a risk which may or may not be linked to an incident, you need to report it. Please pick up an iPad and click on the Share Plus app. You will then find a library. You will select the Risk Register library and select New to add a new risk. The first thing you're required to do is enter your name here, and then to look at the type of risk. To select the type of risk, you can use the drop-down boxes. If you're unsure of the type of risk, you can click on Miscellaneous. You may also check more than one box. If the equipment has an ID number on it, this is the place you would like to enter it. If not, that's fine. Next, you need to select the venue of the risk, and in this case, we're going to use Kingborough as an example. Here you can detail the risk in a sentence or two, naming the piece of equipment and what risk it is. Underneath you have contributing factors, things that could make the risk worse. You may or may not have details for this section. Rating the risk, you're going to use a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being rare and 5 being almost certain. For the sake of this example, we're going to rate our risk as a 3. The consequence of rating is same, 1 to 5, 1 insignificant and 5 catastrophic. We're going to use a 3 for this example as well. The risk response is what did you do at the time to minimise the risk or mitigate the risk. An example might be that you put a mat against the wall to prevent the risk being as catastrophic. So in this case, you will simply detail that information here. Should you have an idea about a longer term response, you may also put that in here. Finally, you want to look at your mitigated likelihood rating. Now that you have put in a risk response, what's the likelihood of that? Then 1 being rare and 5 being almost certain. In this case, we're going to lower it to a 2, for example, and also then look at the consequence of the rating. And we're going to lower it to a 2. The final area, if you have any photos or attachments to add, you can add them here. Then you hit save. This risk is then reported and then it will be dealt with by our risk management team. Thank you for your time.